before the concept of the food system was introduced to us in 2019, we tended to work independently and in silos. But after the introduction of the concept of food system approach, there's a lot of cohesion in working with the different sectors.
Du travail avec la ville de Tunis, tout le travail s'est commencé sincèrement avec des difficultés pour la première fois parce qu'ils ne connaissent pas, ils n'avaient pas l'habitude de travailler sur l'alimentation.
As an NGO, our role is to bridge these very polarized political worlds that we face.
To support local farmers, to reach the metropolis in terms of markets, but also to get best practices and support from the central and local government.
Une interface au niveau local sur les questions de gouvernance alimentaire, à tous les niveaux, aussi bien au niveau local qu'au niveau national.
We have action on food waste prevention, circular economy for food, school meals program, urban agriculture, and everything concerning food education.
The agri-food system of the region is related to water and the provision of water for human consumption, but also for agricultural purposes and for food production and agro-industrial production.
Our vision is that we will have an inclusive food system that addresses the fundamental challenges of making sure that everybody in our community has adequate access to sufficient food while also addressing reduction of greenhouse gas emissions.
Provide the technical support in monitoring the project proposal and designing project proposal according to priorities also given by the local governments.
To assemble farmers, consumers in public spaces that build community and opportunity for family agriculture to thrive.
Having this position with direct experience and interaction with local stakeholders, with city stakeholders, with farmers, help us really contribute very pertinent policy ideas into the international debate.
How do we work with mayors to improve those conditions so that people have access to healthy food?
Identificamos actores del territorio, promotores de la alimentación que venían trabajando muchos años en los temas alimentarios, pero que no conversaban entre ellos, pero que además no encontraban escalamiento a las políticas que iban desarrollando.
If academia stays solid, then we can kind of provide that institutional memory to remind people what they've committed to, where the pathways are, so we don't end up replicating what's been done before.
If we're going to really make change, we're not going to achieve that if we all remain in our own different parts of the puzzle, doing our own thing. We need to be more efficient, we need to be more coordinated.
E essa comunidade vai favorecer essa troca de experiências, essa troca de dificuldades e desafios que são enfrentados.
We need to move from a silo approach to a more integrated multi-sector and multi-stakeholder engagement for food system transformation.
I think it's really important that as a global community we talk to each other and really build on what each other is doing, every organization is doing, and try not to duplicate.
And when we build this global community, we'll ensure that we are able to feed the world.
What has been so valuable was actually the knowledge sharing that we've had with the other local governments across the world to understand the successes and failures of delivering urban agri-food systems through food policy and implementation.
So if we are supported on also data development and database, that would be great for us as in Bari City.
حيث يأتي هذا اللقاء كفرصة واعدة للتشاركية حول النهج العالمية المتبعة وتبادل الخبرات.
Having a common work plan where we can all align and take our individual responsibility and roles in making sure that we have cohesive action.
This is the first time we've had an opportunity to formalise our partnerships. We've been working informally for the past decade in different regions around the world, and now that we're really focused on stepping up and scaling up action.
The cities are there, they need the support. We city food networks, we are ready anyway, so let's work together.